For decades, the United States and Canada have maintained a strong trade relationship that has benefited both nations. But now that relationship is under strain. Burdensome regulations, unfair trade practices, and globalist economic policies have put American industries at a disadvantage. Tariffs, supply chain disruptions, and foreign subsidies have created a trade war that is long overdue. The real question is whether this is about protecting American workers or if we have allowed foreign nations to take advantage of us for far too long. Today, we expose the truth behind the so-called trade war and what it really means for businesses, workers, and consumers. The United States and Canada exchange hundreds of billions of dollars in trade each year. Agreements like NAFTA and its replacement USMCA were supposed to ensure fair trade, but in reality, they have often favored foreign interests over American workers. The problem started when Canada refused to play fair by propping up its industries with subsidies while imposing protectionist policies against American goods. The United States finally took action by placing tariffs on Canadian aluminum and softwood lumber because these products were being unfairly subsidized and undercutting American producers. Canada, instead of addressing the issue, retaliated with tariffs of its own targeting American agricultural and manufacturing industries. The result has been rising costs, job losses, and more economic uncertainty because globalist politicians have prioritized trade deals that weaken American industries instead of putting America first. Three major conflicts define this trade standoff. First is energy and natural resources. The United States has relied on Canadian oil and lumber for years, yet environmental radicals and weak leadership have blocked major energy projects like the Keystone XL pipeline, which killed thousands of American jobs and made us more dependent on foreign oil. Meanwhile, Canada continues to sell us its resources on its terms while taking advantage of America's lenient policies. Second is manufacturing and the auto industry. Canada has poured government money into its manufacturing sector, particularly in electric vehicles, which threatens American auto jobs. Their subsidies distort competition and make it harder for American workers to compete. Third is agriculture and supply chains. Canada's outdated dairy protectionism limits American farmers from selling their products freely, while United States tariffs on Canadian beef and agricultural products have led to retaliation. The bottom line is that free trade only works when it is fair, and America has been getting the short end of the stick for too long. So what does this trade war mean for everyday Americans? First is higher prices. When foreign countries impose unfair trade barriers and manipulate the market, American consumers pay the price. Whether it is construction materials, cars, or groceries, the cost of living rises when bad trade deals go unchallenged. Second is job security. Some American businesses benefit from tariffs and protectionist policies, but too many have been sold out by weak leadership that prioritizes multinational corporations and foreign interests over American workers. Third is economic uncertainty. Globalist trade policies have hollowed out American manufacturing and made us dependent on foreign nations. It is time to reverse course and prioritize American self-sufficiency. Where do we go from here? There are two paths. One is continued weakness by allowing foreign governments to dictate trade terms, subsidize their industries, and exploit American markets. The other is economic strength through bold America First policies that put American businesses and workers first. The United States has every right to protect its industries. When foreign nations manipulate the system, we should respond with tough tariffs, renegotiated trade deals, and a firm commitment to rebuilding American industry. The US-Canada trade war is a reminder that economic policy is not just about numbers. It affects businesses, workers, and families. Trade policies should be designed to strengthen America's economy, protect our industries, and ensure we are getting a fair deal on the world stage. Where do you stand on this issue? Should the United States take an even stronger stance to protect American jobs? Or should we push for a more cooperative approach? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on global trade, economics, and American policy. Make sure to join our free weekly newsletter. The link is in the description.